So hey you guys, I just wanted to come show you guys what I just made. I haven't tacked it all down yet, but this is for a baby. It's gonna be named Timothy, and I'm doing the Elmo theme because his dad loved black and white. So I mean black and red and white. So this is the only thing I thought about besides Spider Man. I don't think he likes Spider Man, so I don't. I just picked Elmo, and he said okay. So this is the front. Isn't it cute? I looked at the pacifier with the matching bottle, and then I found rags, washcloths, baby washcloths, and made them, fanned them out. So I'm gonna turn it around. So this is the front. This is one of the sides. So this is a diaper wipe case, and this is body wash. And here's another rag. So that's one side. And this is the back, which is a pretty big bib, and I made this pretty bow that's wrapped around the diapers. And then I found a cute rattle, and there's another washcloth, and there's baby lotion, and there you go. I think that's so cute. It just came out so cute. I love it, love it, love it. So yeah, you guys, tell me what you think. Bye.